John Van Leenen, New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty in Palmerston North, and Brooklyn, number 6 Brooklyn in Kelvin Grove. It's just along from Celaeno Park playing fields. The kids will love it. The dog walks, recreational, it's all here, and of course very close to the supermarkets. So 1 level, 4 double bedrooms. They are super sized bedrooms and 2 fabulous living rooms. We'd have to say it's got a good blend of indoor-outdoor living, first morning sun, and of course the mono-pitch style that people do like. Low maintenance living in a very, very good location, a nice community. Come and have a little wander through. We know you'll like this property because it just